Hey, welcome to the channel. You are watching Coupon A to Z, your go-to place for deep dives, real reviews, and no BS breakdowns of the hottest trading platforms out there. I'm your trading expert, and today we are going into the wild world of goat-funded futures, aka GFF. Whether you are an aspiring future trader or a seasoned chart assassin looking for the best funding setup, this one's gonna turn heads. So grab your notepad, maybe a coffee or something stronger. Let's get this money talk rolling. So let's start with what this firm is about. The moment you hit their site, you are welcomed with the bold confidence. GFF, where future traders get funded. That's not just a tagline, it's a promise. Goat Funded Futures isn't your typical prop firm, it's a trader's heaven. They offer future traders access to simulate capital, which means you can trade real markets without risking your own funds. Whether you are trying to pass an evolution or looking for instant funding to jump into the action, GFF gives you a clear path to a live account. With no activation fees, weekend holding, and a payout model that's built to reward consistency. You are not just trading, you are building your future. Let's break down exactly how Goat Funded Futures works. GFF offers three major types of account plans: EOD, end of day, static, and instant. Now, if you are someone who wants to prove yourself, you can go through their evolution process via EOD or static challenges. That means you'll need to hit profit target within specific rules: daily loss limits, maximum drawdowns, and consistent trading behavior. Pass that? Boom! You are funded. But if you are impatient like me and you know you have got the skill, you can skip the evolution altogether with the instant funding plan. Yeah, no games, you pay, you trade. You choose your plan, your platform, and your account size. Then pass the challenge or go to instant. Get funded, trade your strategy, and withdraw your profits. Simple, right? Now let's talk about the account types and pricing. You have got three tiers to choose from: $50,000 account, $100,000 account, and $150,000 account. All plans include microscaling, $99 reset fee, and no activation fees. And yeah, weekend holding is allowed. That's the game changer, right? You get access to some of the top trading platforms in the industry: NinjaTrader, TraderVet, QuantTower, Volumetica, Volbook, ATAS, Project X. All powered by DXSpeed, one of the most accurate market data providers. Then you have got tools like Vol SYS, which helps volume profile and order flow. You can spot price levels, watch liquidity, and understand market trends in a way that gives you surgical precision in your trades. Tools like QuantTower and Volumetrica give you in-depth insight into market volume, momentum shifts, reversals, you name it. If you are a data-driven trader, you are going to eat this up. One of my favorite parts about GFF is the $0 activation fee. Unlike some farms that sneak in hidden costs just to get started, GFF keeps it clean. What you see is what you pay. And then there's the swing account. No trading stop, no forced exit. You can hold positions for as long as your strategy demands. For a swing or position trader, this is a dream come true. Their dynamic daily loss limits are impressive. Your loss limit scales with your account size. As you grow your account, your room is maneuver increases. That's a solid way to encourage smart trading, not just aggressive gambling. The 2.5% max drawdown across plans is standard in the prop world. But GFF balanced that with generous profit targets and reasonable limits. Now let's talk about the part that gives every trader goosebumps: payouts. GFF doesn't play when it comes to paying their traders. They have already dished out over $8.1 million in payout. Yep, real numbers, real profit. Here's the juicy part. You keep 100% of your profits up to $10,000. After that, you still get a massive 90% profit split. That's one of the highest in the industry, and it's designed to reward you for doing what you do best: winning. You can request payouts every 5 winning days, and whether you are using wire or crypto, Your funds typically hit within 24 to 48 hours. That's fast, that's flexible. That's a firm that respects your greed. Customer support is on point. They offer fast responses and clean onboarding. Plus, the GFF community is growing. You'll find active discords, telegrams, and forums where people share results, strategies, and wins. Transparency matters, and GFF's got nothing to hide. Their rules are clean, their dashboard is intuitive, and their funded traders are out here making serious bang. Alright, now for the final verdict. Goat Funded Futures is the real deal. It's transparent, flexible, and trader focused. From instant funding options and multiple platforms to elite tools like Vol SYS, Volumetrica, and QuantTower, it caters to the modern trader who is looking for control and edge. Are there things I didn't like? Of course. I wish their dashboard had a little more real-time data integration and visual tracking for new traders. The static accounts could also be a bit more beginner-friendly with a slightly lower profit target options. But the freedom to hold trades over weekends, the no activation fees, and the clear payout structure, that earns big points with me. And before we go, just for my amazing Coupon A to Z fam, I have got an exclusive 20% discount for you on any subscription at Goat Funded Futures with Coupon-Terra. Yup, this one's for the fast movers. The link is in the description and the offer won't last forever. So if you are serious about trading, now that's the time to step up. This has been Coupon A to Z, your digital trading playground. Signing off. Until next time, keep those trades clean, that risk tight, and your mind sharp. Peace, profit, and love.